My name is Michael Olson. I am the Director of IT for Icon Collective. My business here is making sure orientation kicks ass and that everybody has a good time and that nothing breaks.
My name's Arjun and I'm from Seattle.
I'm Ziad, I'm from Phoenix.
I'm Tanvi, I'm from the Bay.
I'm Fabian from Mexico City.
My name is Nai.
Hi, I'm Lauren Andrasek and I'm the education coordinator, so I make all the schedules and keep things rolling.
All right, everyone, we're live from the Student Lounge. This is the first time we've ever had people in this quantity, in this proximity, without face guardings. Let's go in and have a look. Look at them, eating their food.
And this is dope. There's like people here enjoying food. I've had new kids come in the ops room and ask me, like, just introduce themselves, ask me cool questions already. It's like, Icon feels like it's back.
Yeah, I used to be kind of a recluse before COVID, and now I'm like, can't get enough of it. So I'm out here. I'm not even gonna eat. I just want to stand around people and talk.
What kind of music? Hardcore, punk, metal?
Pretty much anything with bass.
Dubstep and like experimental bass.
More into the mid-tempo scene.
Hip-hop, rap, R&B. I have no clue what I'm gonna make, but I like all EDM music.
Future bass and hybrid trap. That's where it's at.
I want to expand my horizons, so excited to be here at Icon.
We've never been able to have all 50 people together and just the energy in that place. Like, that's the first time we've had that many people in the theater at all. Having them in there and just kind of like, you know, doing the whole stage presentation was like sick. It was very cool. They all seem really awesome and like invigorated and ready to go. We're stoked for them, for sure.